Please, me I beg you, please.
Who this?
Miss I teach this, miss. Me say, the near Sean. Miss, from me tell Sean so I'm pregnant, him block me now.
From?
Miss, I'm from Portmore. I come from Port. I live in a Spanish town right now, Angels. Yes.
So you get my number?
I did take it out on phone. Yes, miss. Them didn't help me out with schooling and them something there, right? So, me not never because I tell him so I'm pregnant, him block your number, miss.
Okay, I
go St. Catherine, me in a grade 9.
You're in a grade 9?
Yes, miss.
I don't know so how you make him sexy and him a big man.
Because me did miss him and help me out with school and so miss. Me sorry, miss. Miss Susan, me sorry. Me really sorry. Miss Susan, my mother run me out. Me there and my friend Ashley house and her father cuss me. Me don't know what to do, miss. Me never want to call them, but me don't know.
I don't know they know where you're going to get him.
So you're not there near him, Miss Susan?
No, I'm not there near him. I'm from what I'm not see him.
Miss, you can at least put me up for at least 2 nights, Miss Susan, and then me figure it out.
No, you can't come at me yard, girl.
Miss
Susan. You have to go get 2 blocks and make blocks bring your guy here or your female.
So Miss you no blocks woman.
So I'm to that.
Miss no answer call them Miss Susan. See man, me Ashley father come, me just can't see her and Miss Susan. Iman.
Me not know how the animal will work you out. The animal will work out that.
Miss Susan, the man, woman.
Let me talk to her. Go on this. Hello, good night.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Susan.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what me hear so go on?
Me don't know how I'm going to pin girl and blood clot, man. That have nothing at all to do with me.
So, how you finna know?
Me, all me know, man, come out from a blood clot phone, young girl, and go suck on a mother.
Suzette.
Come out from a phone, dirty man, come suck me.
Suzette.
Girl.
No, but look how me talk to this lady. Suzette.
That not have nothing at all to do with me. One tell me about put up when me come get to put up, girl. Me have also put up, girl, in a...
So with the man that we responsible for this, come here, you say, you and him breed the little girl, you know.
Me and him, I must fuck my fucker with my mouth.
Suzette, be a big woman, no man. Be civilized, no man.
Be civilized under your mother, big, dirty, stinking blood clot. Come off from a phone and that you do.
Miss Suzette, what will happen to the child? She will up the child and bring the child to you because she have to go to school, you know.
Tell her to bring it to her homes.
Bring her which blood clot homes? What this woman?
And she go warm up her big stinking pussy girl within a grade 9 and make big man blood clot fuck her and dog her nothing. I don't mean fuck her. I don't know them fuck her. Come near me dirty man, where the fuck you not come off from my phone and come near me, my body hole, my pussy hole, my every part of my hole. All my nose hole and my ears hole, them you have to come near me out.
Suzette, you hear me? Suzette. Calm down. What happened to the child? Because as you know, it's a grade 9 child, listen up.
Bring it, go give blocks. Bring it, go give blocks.
Bring which blood clot blocks? Hear that, girl? Which blocks?
Idiot like your mother, big stinking dirty boy. Idiot like your big pussy girl when they beside her, your big suck-cocky sister. We're gonna make blacks fuck her.
I'm my sister. I'm my daughter friend. You understand me? If you didn't walk this without me, you know.
Daughter friend under your mother, blood clot.
What this girl, Susan? Dirty Susan.
Your friend should have put up her daughter, dirty boy. Your friend should have put up her daughter. Or you should have helped your friend watch her daughter pussy.
What me watch you can pick the pussy for? If you and your man never breed the little girl, this would not me, you know.
I'm a more
Dirty woman.
A 3 we breeder, me, Prince, and Ratos and King and Blacks. A 5 we breeder. You don't have no sense.
Who the fuck is Ratos?
You don't have no sense.
Dirty Susan, on to that big bum, on to that. Me come over Gregory Park, you know, you don't even know where you're there, you know.
You can't come to Gregory Park, come do me nothing, dirty boy. Come suck my pussy.
Susan, you hear me say? Susan. So you're protection, and that you do.
Me not protect a blood clot body because me never did fuck with nobody. Me not protect a soul because me never fuck with a soul.
So you and Sean still there, Susan?
Me and him still there?
Yeah.
Me and him still, no, me and him not still there, me and him still a fuck.
Hold on that suit, look again, go around in your room, look, if you skin out, this would have me, you know. Go on, someone.
Look at she, sir, PR.
Look at she, man. Yeah.
She don't know where blacks live.
She know where blacks live.
She can't go over blacks yard to live. Because me don't live over there.
Oh, you don't live with blacks?
Come stop my pussy dirty man and come off of my phone.
No, you hear me? Susan. Hear me out. You know, say, a true shall get shy, make she hang up. Yeah, man, she need to me not get her, you know. Me not get her. Me not get her, though. Let me see what they want to come here, go block, you know. Me not get her, though.